Ever found yourself at the checkout, ready to pay, only to realize you have absolutely no clue how much is left on your Acorns card? We've all been there. That mini heart attack while you frantically try to remember if you transferred enough funds, or worse, if you accidentally spent more than you thought. It's a stressful situation, and one that's easily avoidable. So, if you're tired of that mini panic and want to take control of your Acorns card balance, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about checking your Acorns card balance, from the simplest methods to some handy tips and tricks. Now, before we dive in, let's quickly talk about the Acorns card itself. For those who are new to Acorns, it's a debit card that's linked to your Acorns investment account. It's a fantastic tool for rounding up your purchases and investing the spare change. Think of it as a seamless way to invest without even thinking about it. Every time you make a purchase with your Acorns card, the transaction is rounded up to the nearest dollar, and that extra change is invested into your chosen portfolio. It's a brilliant concept, but to really make it work, you need to stay on top of your balance. So, how do you actually check your Acorns card balance? Thankfully, Acorns offers multiple ways to do this, catering to different preferences and situations. Let's start with the most straightforward method, the Acorns mobile app. The Acorns app is your central hub for managing everything related to your Acorns account, including your card balance. It's available for both iOS and Android devices, and it's incredibly user-friendly. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, simply log in using your Acorns credentials. On the main screen, you'll typically see a summary of your investment accounts. To find your card balance, you might need to tap on the card or spend section, depending on the app's current layout. This section will display your current available balance, along with recent transactions and other card-related information. It's a quick and easy way to get an instant snapshot of your funds. Another convenient way to check your Acorns card balance is through the Acorns website. If you prefer using a computer, simply head over to the Acorns website and log into your account. The website interface is very similar to the mobile app, so navigating to your card balance should be a breeze. Look for a card or spend section, usually located in the main navigation menu. Clicking on this section will bring up your card details, including your current balance and transaction history. The website offers a slightly larger view, which some users may find more comfortable for reviewing their transactions. Now, let's talk about a less common but still useful method, contacting Acorns customer support. While this isn't the quickest way to check your balance, it can be helpful in certain situations. For example, if you're having trouble accessing the app or website, or if you suspect any unauthorized activity on your card, reaching out to customer support is the best course of action. You can usually find contact information for Acorns customer support on their website or app. Be prepared to verify your account information to ensure the security of your funds. Beyond these direct methods, there's a helpful feature within the Acorns app that can help you stay informed about your balance: notifications. You can set up notifications to alert you when your balance falls below a certain threshold, or when specific transactions occur. This is a proactive way to manage your spending and avoid any surprises at the checkout. To set up these notifications, navigate to the settings section of the Acorns app and look for notifications or alerts. From there, you can customize the types of notifications you want to receive, including low balance warnings. Now, here are a few tips and tricks to keep in mind when checking your Acorns card balance. First, remember that the balance displayed on the app or website is your available balance. This means it reflects the funds that are immediately available for spending. It might not include any pending transactions, which are purchases that haven't yet been fully processed. Keep in mind that pending transactions can affect your available balance, so it's always a good idea to factor them in when calculating how much you have to spend. Another helpful tip is to regularly review your transaction history. This allows you to track your spending patterns and identify any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions. The Acorns app and website provide detailed transaction histories, which you can usually filter by date or transaction type. Make it a habit to review your transactions at least once a week to stay on top of your finances. Finally, if you're having trouble accessing your Acorns card balance through any of the methods mentioned, don't hesitate to contact Acorns customer support. They are there to assist you with any issues you may encounter. They can help you troubleshoot technical problems, answer your questions about your account, and provide guidance on managing your Acorns card. So, to recap, you can check your Acorns card balance through the Acorns mobile app, the Acorns website, and by contacting Acorns customer support. The app and website are the quickest and most convenient methods, while contacting customer support is helpful for resolving specific issues. Remember to enable notifications to stay informed about your balance and regularly review your transaction history to track your spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.